Hey, happy Thursday, how you doing? Hey, I got a double header for you today. I got a couple sets of big block heads for you. This set on the left is a factory set of big block square port heads. Everybody wants a set of these. They put them on the 375 horsepower 396, the 435 horsepower 427, and the 450 horse 454. This particular pair is date coded November 3rd, 1969, a matching set. This other set is a set of Dart Pro 1s. They've been O-ringed. Looks like it was in a front-end collision here. It's been welded. And it's got a big insert in this rocker stud. They've been through the ringer. So these heads are in here to get guides and surfaced. Somebody spot faced this one. I don't know why. I'm going to spot face them all before I drill them. Then I'm going to drill them for guides and the customer's going to install them. But then I'm going to surface them. This seat is buried. I told him it needed seats, but he said it would be okay. And as far as these darts go, unfortunately, they want me to mill them till the O-ring groove is gone. That's very unfortunate. But that's what I'm getting paid to do. This cylinder had something fall into it. So I'm going to start out drilling out these guides. Okay, I've got it in the head machine. Got it level. Both directions. Okay, I'm going to spot face it down to the base of this seal cut. If I don't do that, the boss might split. Okay, the intakes are spot faced. Now I'm going to core drill them. This is done dry. Okay, I core drilled them all. I forgot to mention this had guide liners in them. I don't use them because they suck out of the bottoms of the head a lot of times and they just suck, even if they're swedged. And this gets oil on it. There you go, there's all the intakes. Hey, you notice I picked the bit up and let it breathe? You got to keep that bit clear of the chips. Even though they fall through the bottom, still got to keep them clear or else it'll cut too big. Now I got to switch to the exhaust. So these valves are canted. The intakes are this way and the exhausts are that way. So let me articulate the table and level it. There, you can see the difference in angles. Let me level it now. There you go, I got it level. Or do I? So one good thing about my table, loosen these locks. Very easy to go from one angle to the other. And then it's got this fine adjustment here. And it locks the table. And that levels me this way. Now I gotta level it this way. And I turn this knob. And lock it. Both sides. How about going for a ride up here on this clamp? There you go. The customer's going to put the guides in. He's using 5/16 guides in this. So this head's ready to surface. Okay, I got the second head in here. It's level. I'm not going to show you. I'll just show you along the way as I go. Hey, did you guys see the pilot fall out of this on the other head? I didn't have the set screwed tight. Okay, I got them all spot faced. And I'm core drilling. Okay, the exhausts are core drilled, ready to ream. Exhausts are done, ready to do the intakes. Intakes are spot faced, ready to core drill. That thing that fell was the end of that bronze liner, the K-liner thing. I don't like them. I'm ready to ream now. There you go, this is ready for guides. Look at how much debris that made. 2 sets of heads. Okay, I got it in the surfacer, it's level and ready to cut. So it's kind of crazy how this was warped. It's not touching on either end. It's high in the middle. And no, that's not from untorquing it incorrectly. I'm going to take a thou up and a thou on the way back. Didn't quite clean right down here. Almost. I mean, that would work. I'm going to take another thou off of it. There we go, coming back at it. Coming across the middle. And just coming off the end. Let's see if we got it. That looks better. Coming up on the middle. Here, I just made a pass on that second head. It's the same way. So I'm coming back at it with 2000. Coming across the middle. And just coming off the end. Let's check that backside. Almost clean. There we go. This will be the final pass. Across the middle for a wild ride. Here you go, ready for the customer. Hey, it's getting too late to do these heads, so you'll have to come back tomorrow. Hey, I think I called them head square ports. A lot of people call them rectangle ports. You can call them whatever the hell you want to call them. Hey, thanks for coming along on this Thursday, you guys. You guys come back and see me again, okay? And be nice to each other. Bye.